Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Forever's Kitchen. So we all know the festive season is right around the corner, and in honor of that we have baker and food blogger Veena Jain here with us today, and she's going to show us how to make a delicious Christmas fruitcake. This recipe is super easy to make and requires absolutely no soaking of the nuts, so it takes no time at all. Let's get to it.
So here's what you need. Half a cup dried fruits. You can use figs, apricots, cranberries, raisins, dates or cherries. Half a cup brown sugar, half a cup white sugar, 1.5 teaspoons baking soda, half a teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon nutmeg powder, half a cup nuts. Mixture of any choice of nuts such as cashews, almonds and walnuts. 250 grams of maida or all-purpose flour, half a cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of red food color, although this is optional, half a cup of yogurt, half cup of warm water. To start off, whisk together the brown sugar, white sugar and water. Add in the oil and the yogurt. Once these are well combined, add the flour, which is mixed along with the baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon and nutmeg powder, and mix well. Keep dividing the batter as you mix it to avoid lumps. Now add in the red food color and vanilla essence. Finally, mix in the nuts and dried fruit. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan lined with baking paper and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes in a preheated oven.
We hope you enjoyed this delicious Christmas fruitcake recipe. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll be back with another delicious recipe for you.